Most marketing agencies are still grinding out blog posts one by one for their clients. Research, writing, optimization, it all takes time, even if you're using the right AI tools in the mix. And the real bummer is that the countdown clock starts on day one. Without the right systems, it's easy to spin your wheels and burn out before your clients ever see the kind of real traction that keeps them excited to work with you. That's why I've automated almost my entire content workflow, both for my own sites and for my clients. My blog is still publishing consistently, still growing, and still bringing in traffic that supports my business every day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact systems and tools I use to automate blogs from well-researched idea to published and optimized posts that drives traffic without sacrificing quality. So your client sites can grow without you needing to have your hand on the wheel every single day. Let's dive in. Here's what my blog looks like today. I've been doing this for 15 years. I've also run content teams. I work with clients under my agency, and I've grown my own SaaS products using my content frameworks. And so in this video, I want to just show you how things have been going for my site. We can see here that with Ahrefs estimates, it suggests I'm driving about 117,000 monthly visitors to my website. We can see stats here on AI overviews, ChatGPT numbers as well. And we've got a nice, decent little traffic graph right here with a peak back in last summer, closer to 200,000 for these last couple of years here. Now, the real analytics are a little bit different. Typically, my blog is driving more like between 130 and about 200,000 people a month, depending upon seasonality and how often I'm updating content and keeping my rankings fresh. But you can see here that Ahrefs is often just an estimate. They're directionally accurate, but not always perfect. When you make your way over to my blog, you can see that I'm publishing content regularly here. We've got a couple of recent posts in the last couple of days that I want to just show you how I automate this process. And you can imagine I replicate this process across all of my clients and sites that I manage for myself as well. The most recent post on my blog here is pulled straight from a YouTube video that I published on my channel just the other day. And you can see here on my channel, this video went live a day ago. It's gotten 417 views so far. And what's cool about my automation process is that I didn't have to do a thing in order for this blog post to get published straight to my site once my video went up on YouTube. And here's how I did it. I used RightBlogger, which is my auto-blogging platform with a full AI content planner and automation system built inside. Let's check out the process that I'm using in order to create more content on autopilot today. Let's start with the content automations, where you can see right here on my content planner that I'm constantly publishing content to my blog. And I have a bunch of different projects here for different websites that I manage, where we're also publishing content on autopilot. As you can see here, this saves me a ton of time. And I want to show you a little glimpse behind the scenes what these automations actually look like. So I'll go ahead and edit the automations I've got, show you what some of my settings look like. And here I have two different types of automations set up. Where RightBlogger really thrives is by helping save you time from the content you're already creating by doing all the boring work for you. That's why I like this daily YouTube automation here, because I'm going through the process of already filming a video, uploading it to my channel, and now every single time I upload a video to my YouTube channel, RightBlogger scans my channel and notices that a post went live. It takes that post I just published and automatically generates an SEO optimized blog post to be published straight to my website. Here's what this post looks like inside RightBlogger before it's sent over to my blog. Now, the cool thing about RightBlogger's automation tools is that you can automatically AI and SEO optimize every single piece of content that's published to your website using our powerful SEO Reports feature. This goes out and researches the keyword phrase that you're trying to rank your content for. It understands the SERP. It identifies the topics, the keywords, the gaps, the types of content that match the real intent of what someone's searching for when they're trying to find answers or help on this topic related to what you're publishing about. Then you'll get an SEO score. And when you're using our automated content planner, you have the option to toggle on the use of SEO reports with every single post you create so that no matter what, you're publishing pre-optimized content that's designed to rank quickly and earn AI citations from platforms like ChatGPT as fast as possible. The other way you can set up automations for your blog is by choosing a keyword-focused automation, where you connect your website, and from there our AI goes out and develops a game plan of the keywords and topics you should publish about, and it automatically schedules them to your calendar on your behalf. You choose how frequently you want your automation to run, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, and then select the integration so that RightBlogger is connected directly to your website, and then you're ready to go. You're gonna have a steady stream of content now publishing straight to your blog. Here's an example of one of my keyword automations that was published to my blog just a couple of days ago: how to do free keyword research without paid tools. You can see really nice formatting elements. The exact right keyword phrase is dialed in near the intro of my article. We've got internal links, we've got calls to actions, there's nice formatting elements, there's imagery generated by AI, there's external links, and there's really well designed formatting elements that are geared towards getting my content ranked and featured in AI overviews and inside platforms like ChatGPT, where I'm earning citations. Beyond just the daily content automations I have running for my sites, I can also add new content whenever I want. If I have a new idea, or if I want to publish a little bit more frequently, I'll hit this new post button here. I'll usually check out the suggestions tab because AI is already connected with my website and RightBlogger, and it understands the gaps in content, the topics I have not yet published about that I honestly should be if I want to drive more targeted traffic for my business. And so I'll see topics like keyword mapping for blogs, how to assign one keyword per page and avoid cannibalization. That's a pretty good topic. I'll select something like that. I'll make sure it's publishing to the right integration. I'll add it to my calendar. I'll click the auto optimize for SEO button. I'll hit schedule, and this post will just automatically be added now to my content planner. And you can see that's right here in my next slot for tomorrow. The post is rendering, it's optimizing, and it'll be sent to my site based on my daily automation schedule at the same time as this other piece of content. It's important to note that RightBlogger also has a lot of customization built into the platform, so that as you're connecting your clients' websites, you can upload writing samples or videos they've created, and our AI is going to understand what their style and tone of voice is, so that everything they publish via automations is already going to sound in their voice. Plus, you can invite members to join your team inside RightBlogger. So if you have partners at your agency or VAs that you need to have involved inside your client's content, they'll have access to specific projects so that you can really fine-tune how you're getting help scaling your content business. Lastly, RightBlogger integrates with all of the top CMSs out there: WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Duda, Ghost, Shopify, you name it, we integrate with it so that you can help scale your automated content and grow your clients' traffic on autopilot. If you want to save even more time and use a purpose-built system for scaling your content production across many different websites, then come try RightBlogger today. You'll be in good company with more than 48,000 agencies, marketers, and bloggers who are using our tools to scale their automated content that actually works. Come take it for a spin, and I'll see you soon.